Hello, my name is Kim. Now I want to show you how to create a booking on our website. In the Welcome menu, there's a widget called Find Offers. You can start entering your booking details here. Fill out destination, goods description, pieces, weight, and volume. If you have any special handling codes, you can either type in the special handling code. This is suggestive search. Select from the drop-down, or you can select from the pop-up and search for a special handling code. In the product field, you can type in the product here and tab out of it. Or you can select the pop-up, remove the product that's pre-filled, and see a list of all our product offerings. If you have some more details on the booking, for example like dimensions, you go to the details inquiry to insert dimensions for the booking. If you have more than one dimension, you can add several dimension lines. And the rest of the information is already filled out. In the bottom, you click on Find Offers. And here on step 2, you choose the offer you want. In step 3, you enter a document number, or you can select the Assign from stock. This will take an available number from your branch stock. You can add remarks if that is needed. Then you click on Continue. In the final step, it is an overview of all the booking details and offer that you selected. And here you can confirm the booking. And that is how you do a booking.